Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest. First, open your web browser on your PC. Now search here Etsy.com. As you can see, Etsy has opened on our screen. Now open a new tab. Then search here Pinterest.com. Now click on caret icon on your top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here click on Claimed Accounts from the left dashboard. Then tap on Claim. Here click on Download. Then copy your HTML tag. After that, click on Continue. Now enter your website URL below and click the button to verify. Then go back to Etsy and copy its URL. Open Pinterest and paste that URL here. Then click on Verify. This is how you can link your Etsy shop to Pinterest. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.